All right, here we go. Who's brave enough to start? Oh, that's gotta hurt, but he's still standing. One by one, snap, snap, snap. Can anyone survive this? And bam, Duck Trumpet strikes again. His face says it all. That's pure pain. Even though it hurts, you can't stop laughing.